Hi everyone, welcome. Milan here again from MailSelf. This is going to be the single most important thing you should be taking away from at this course. Now, I might say that sentence a couple of times, but there's a good reason for it, okay? This course is really not that long, so I really want to give you as much value as you can. If you can, grab a notepad and write down the next thing I'm going to tell you, okay? There is one thing that is going to make you or break you, okay, when it comes to business, okay? They'll either make your business or they will break it. And this is, of course, momentum, okay? The ability to build momentum in your business will determine whether you actually even make a cent, okay, make even a dollar in your business, okay? Momentum is the key. It does take some time, but I'm going to help you identify three audience, okay, three people in your business that are literally going to help you or take you away from hitting $10,000 a month. Let me talk about the first type of audience, okay? They're called momentum takers. The reason they're called that is because they literally take momentum out of your business. They're like a vampire sucking your blood, okay, for blood life of your business, okay? Here is how, okay? Let me tell you about this story, okay? I had a client, which I'm not gonna, of course, name. He was the most difficult person I worked with. He expected me to pick up calls at 2 a.m. He expected me to give up my weekend time. I would need to be whenever suited him, okay? He didn't have that much time himself, so he wanted me to work odd hours with him. Now, if I'm trying to build my own business, build my own brand, and really start looking for new clients as well, those are things I can't do when there are really, really unreasonable requests from the momentum takers. Okay. Now, you might think, oh, I don't have anyone like that in my business at the moment. Well, that's great news, but it's not a type of people. Okay. A person can become it. Okay. This is how momentum breakers takers work. Okay. So imagine when you start something and you need the money, so you get in business with someone and it's all fun and games at the start. But as you go deeper and deeper, what happens is you get into more pressure and more pressure. And the only way for you to cope is to dig a hole and go deeper inside it. But the momentum takers, what they will do is put water, okay? Put water on top until you literally suffocate. Now, I don't want to scare you, but this is the single most biggest reason a lot of business fail is because they do not have the right type of audience that they are working with. These aren't the only people though. Let me tell you about the second type of audience. They're called momentum breakers. And these are people that snap, break the momentum in your business. They're not bad as the momentum takers, but they will put a halt. They will expect you to prioritize them, will not take your input. So if you say, hey, I expertise in website design or sales funnel, this is what I do for a living, let me help, okay? Now these people will think they're the expert when it comes to you serving them. They hire you for a job, but they don't let you and give you the freedom to do what you actually need to do to help them succeed. Now, I love making money as much as the next person, but if your business and you you want to build a successful one, especially hitting those multiple five-figure months like I and many of my clients do, what you need to realize is client success is the single most thing that's going to really skyrocket your reputation, your sales, your authority, your credibility, whatever it is, you name it. People that are momentum breakers, they literally chain themselves, okay? They chain themselves and they can't move past their own problems. And no matter who comes in, they just don't accept the help, okay? They have a mental block. You just can't help them. They stop themselves and they stop you from progressing in your business. Now, I want to talk about the good stuff, okay? The final audience, the ideal client you want in your business. And these are momentum makers, okay? These are the people that will literally comment, like, subscribe, share, refer, whatever it is you ask them to do, they will do it. Not because you have given them a lot of value. I assume your business who gives a lot of value no matter what the client is. But these people do it not only because they respect you, but they consider you as a friend. When they have barbecue, you are the person that they recommend. If they're a businessman or woman, the chances are there are other businessmen and women they know, and when they need something, you're the first go-to person. These are the people you want in your business because they go out of their way to do free marketing, free publicity, and they don't even know it. This is the best part about having momentum makers in your business. They are the biggest salespeople in your business. One word from them, and 90% of your job is done. Now, when you start out or when you're new, even in the middle sections of your business, people spend 80% of their time looking for new customers. These people, they do those 80% for you. So you can focus on actually helping them grow and get the success they want. And this will take you from zero to multiple five figure, if not five figure, okay, minimum. I can say that with a lot of confidence because I have done it and I've seen many of my clients do it as well. One strategy I would give you when it comes to dealing with momentum breakers and takers, I don't want to just tell you what the problem is. Let me give you a solution, okay? This is the single most powerful sentence I told them. When they told me I did something they didn't like, I said, I appreciate constructive feedback, but let me tell you this. I can either make you money or I can make you happy. What do you want? Completely up to you. I can either make you money or I can make you happy. People that are set in their way, people that have their own issues, when you're in bed with them, when you're in business with them, these people will hold you back given every single possibilities. Run, stay away. I made the mistakes, don't do it because this will help you find your ideal audience and get you the help you need. Okay, at the bottom of this I'm going to link in the 30-minute avatar wizard, which is actually one of the things we provide in our main course, which you can of course you are invited to apply as well if you have received value so far and you like the sound of this and you want more in-depth catered help to your business. Love to help. Feel free to book a call. And otherwise, get the 30-minute avatar wizard right below of this video. And we will try help you exactly how to find you can find how to get those, momentum makers in your business. So you can too start hitting those multiple five-figure months, if not five-figure month, okay, within the next 6 months. All right. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.